Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to replace this steering rack in this Toyota Corolla car. And this is really critical part in car steering system, and this job is quite difficult because we have to remove this car engine and gearbox. We have to take engine and gearbox away, and now I have already removed that, and we can start to open these bolts in here, and we start this our job in this outer area, and there are those tie rod ends what we have to take firstly away. First step in this job is to remove this front wheel and tire in that way, and then we can see this tie rod end in here. Okay, and this tie rod end, this is this part in here, and now I have already loosened these parts, and I have to take both of these sides away in this way. And then we can go to look in inner area next. Okay, and now when both sides tie rod ends are free, we can next open this part, this joint in here to steering wheel, and there is one bolt what we have to next open, and let's go to look that area closer. And here is really bolt in here, that one what I have to open in this way and pull out, and there is one bolt what I have to open in this area, and there is this shaft to steering wheel, and next I open this bolt using my socket. Okay, and this bolt is really 12 millimeter, and when I use a little bit longer bar and impact driver, I can open this bolt easily in that way. Okay, and now bolt is free, excellent. And we can go to take this shaft away next. The next part is that I have to separate this joint in here, that area, there is small shaft, using my screwdriver, or then I only lift that a little bit up, and now one part opens, and I can remove this whole cover, and this part is really from this cabin area, and I have also removed bolts in this cabin area. There are those pedals, and now this area and these joints, they are free. Excellent. And this is really boot what covers this area. Excellent. And then we can go forward. Okay, and then this rear engine mounting removal in here, and there are really two bolts in that area, and in this down area there is also two bolts, and these bolts are easy to open in this down area, and let's go to look closer these bolts. Okay, and there is really now two of these 14 millimeter bolts, 14 millimeter socket. That one is first, and then that one is second, and then in this down area there is also bolts in this inner holes. But now I open, I remove all of these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts what I open, and let's look at what happens then. Okay, and now I have removed 4 of these bolts. One of these are bolt in here, and then those 3 of those, they are these big nuts what are in this position, in here and here. Okay, good. Okay, and then I can take this engine rear mounting away, and it looks like that, and there's really 3 of those bolts and 1 nut in here. Okay, and now this rear engine mounting is free. Good. And then when this engine mounting is away, next we have in here 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts what we need to open. And now we can see those bolts better. 1, 2, and in back area 2. And these bolts are easier to open in below area. And let's go to look that below area next. Okay, now when we are looking in this below area, there is 1, 2, and in that side 2 bolts what I need to open, and let's look that how I open those. Okay, and size is 14 millimeter of this socket, and these bolts, they are quite tight, but when we have pick this wrench, these bolts opens. Okay, good. And this is like that side. And then I can use my electric impact driver and take these bolts away. Okay, and now I have impact driver. Okay, and now bolts are slippery, and I have to install my tool in this up area, that there is also this bolt in this up area in here. Okay, and in up area I install also 14 millimeter wrench in here, that way, and then impact driver in here down. Okay, and now bolt opens easily, and also nut opens, and then I can take these big steering rack bolts away, and there is really 4 of those. Okay, and now I have removed all of these nuts, and I can see that this steering rack is moving, and now I can go to take that away. Okay, and then I can go to lift up this steering rack this way, and note that I have to take these bolts away, because now, okay, now these parts, and I rotate them this way. Now I managed to take this whole package away. Excellent. And then we can go to look that little bit closer. Okay, and now we can see this steering rack, what it looks like, and it's like in position. And let's look and take some side view also. This is like this right side, and note that these parts are only suitable in right and left sides, tie rod end, and then check another side, like then left side, this area. Good.